the dog challenge.
So here are the dogs: Angel,
Here's the dog.
Adam, Lucy, and where did Chiva go? Oh, Chiva's right over there, but you guys can't see her.
Hey, where's the cat? So I'm gonna touch them and see what kind of dog it
Okay,
is.
so sit down on the chair.
That one's fat.
Last time he
by
tried
the
to
way.
cheat, so
Okay, so I'm gonna be blindfolded.
Okay, good.
Nice try, Isaiah.
Okay,
Are you a duck? Are you a duck?
okay, ready? First dog. Okay, this one. Hold on, show him.
Okay, this is dog.
Okay, there.
Dog.
Okay, feel him.
Lucy.
Nope. One more, two more. You only have two more guesses. You only have three guesses.
I forgot the names. Can you tell me the names?
It starts with the A.
Adam.
No. Okay, one more guess, but it's like Angel, Chiva, Lucy. Yeah.
You just told him.
No, I didn't. I said he wanted to know the names. Okay, next dog. Okay, first we're gonna show the dog first. Hey, put your hand up. Okay, so. Okay, again. It's Chiva.
This is lit.
Chiva.
Boy, Jeremiah! Jeremiah wrote it. Hey.
We can see him here, guys. And then show him the light.
Adam.
Yep.
I get these right. Here you go. Here's Adam. Wait, let me kiss him. Mwah.
You just.
Here's Adam. Here's get Adam. This is Chiva.
Nope.
Wait.
Two more guesses.
Tell me the names.
No.
Please?
No.
It starts with the L.
Lucy.
Yep. Okay, so he guessed all the dogs right.
Here you go.
Okay.
Can I put my blindfold up?
Quick, close it, close it.
Can I
Yeah,
put-
yeah. So he had got all the dogs right, and
God.
yeah. So okay.
Oh, I got hair on me. I'm his brother, and I'm gonna try doing this challenge.
Okay. Well, he let him wear the beanie.
I'm next.
Here are the names. Chiva.
No. Chiva, Lucy, Angel, Adam. You guys can't see him, but let's go.
The cat counts.
No, it doesn't.
¿Esto no sirve?
Okay, there.
No, no sale.
He's good. He's good. He's good.
Okay,
No,
okay.
Jeremiah. Los niños de cuarto no tiene electricidad. Nada.
Go.
Okay, hold on. We have to get the light. Put the light.
¿Esto no tiene electricidad?
Okay.
Mira, next. No, eso no tiene, no sale.
Okay, let's go. Come on, there. That's enough light. Okay, first dog. Jeremiah.
Switch no sirve.
The first dog. I know.
Totally next.
First dog. Guys, I can't see you.
Absolutely next.
Okay, it's gonna be like this. Okay. First dog.
First off, we have. Okay, let's go.
Hey, show me it.
Chiva.
Nope.
Chiva.
Nope.
Yo tengo esa, a ver si sirve.
It's Chiva.
It starts with the L.
It starts with the L. Lucy.
Yep. Okay. Next dog.
Holy fuck. Dude, it looks like
Max.
I'm gonna do this too.
Oh, Max. No,
No.
that's not the dog.
Starts with the C.
Chiva.
Yep.
Okay.
This one's a heavy one.
This one's fat.
This one is Max.
No, not Max. Don't tell him.
It starts with the A.
It starts with A.
And ends with the M. Angel?
No.
Ends with the M.
Dumb.
Adam.
Yeah. Okay, you already know the. Oh wait, no. Yeah.
There's one more.
You already know the last one.
Lucy.
Nope.
It starts with the A again.
Angel.
Yep. Okay, my turn next. I want to go next. Okay, here. No, well, I know you're gonna go after.
Okay, and the camera girl's gonna go next.
Oh my god, I don't know.
Show me.
And he's gonna go next too.
Oh my god, I feel like. Okay, go.
Okay, just hold her chair for her, and she's blindfolded.
I can't see anything. Hurry. Help.
Okay, okay. Hyro, get the dog to her. First one.
Okay, where?
Just pick anyone. I don't really care. Hey, stay still. No, stay still.
Okay.
Yep.
Next one. I already knew about her nails. Don't do that.
What's her name?
Angel.
Hey, good job. Okay, no.
This one's the fat one.
Wait, you messed it up.
Okay. Which one?
There's one more. There's one more.
No! There's one more. No, the cat.
There's two more.
Okay, there's two more. This one.
Last one.